Are you still struggling with hygroscopic formulations? There are mainly three issues which degrade hygroscopic formulations, and main reason is moisture. First, inadequate RH control during packing. The problem with regular CFB packing? Air gets sealed in with the tablet. The required RH should be below 15, but in most packing areas, it's usually between 25 to 50. This trapped moisture speeds up tablet degradation. Second, inherent moisture in the tablet. The tablet already contains some inherent moisture from the time of formulation. During transportation or storage, the moisture inside the tablet slowly comes out because of the high external temperature. As a result, the RH inside the pack increases, which starts to degrade the tablet inside the sealed pack. Third, over period of time the seal strength of normal CFB in blister gets reduced and as a result microtunnel forms between sealing area. The moisture and other gases can migrate, which degrades the tablet if the sealing isn't strong enough. Even when using top quality barrier CFB, hygroscopic formulations often degrade. And the biggest culprit is moisture. Let's take a real example. Suppose we pack the same formulation in two different packaging formats, one in normal cold form foil, CFB, and the other in a strip pack. All other conditions, formulation and packing environment, remain the same. Still, the formulation shows better stability in the strip pack. And based on our research, there are two main reasons for this difference. Reason 1, less air gets packed in strip pack. The amount of high humidity air that gets sealed with the tablet is significantly lower in strip packing compared to CFB. This reduces internal moisture and improves stability. Reason 2, seal integrity. In normal CFB, the seal is between VMCH and PVC. While they are sealable, they don't belong to the same material family. This means there's no true fusion, leading to weaker seal integrity. But in strip packs, the seal is PE to PE, which allows proper fusion and creates a stronger, more reliable seal. That's why strip packs generally offer better protection and higher stability. However, despite this advantage, market demand often favors CFB formats for premium appeal. But the truth is, even with good barrier foil, products like these are not 100% stable. Challenges with hygroscopic formulations? Oxygen permeation that impacts product integrity. Bulging packs due to carbon dioxide buildup. Rotten egg odor complaints from end users. Swelling tablets inside the blister cavity. Yellowing, degradation, and customer dissatisfaction. Reduced shelf life and regulatory risks. And higher AP overages, just to stay compliant. These are common and costly challenges, and they often persist despite using top-grade barrier foils. So, what's the solution to all these challenges? Here is the solution, ActivePac by Alutech. A next-generation active barrier foil, specially designed for high-sensitivity pharmaceutical formulations. ActivePac goes beyond traditional packaging. It actively protects your formulation from moisture, gases, and odor, ensuring better stability, longer shelf life, and reduced API overages. Let's understand the problem, and how ActivePac solves it, step by step. First, the relative humidity during packing is usually high, between 25 to 50. But ActivePac contains an active moisture-absorbing layer that reacts immediately, bringing the pack's internal RH down to a safe range of 8 to 10. Second, the tablet itself carries moisture, which gets released during transportation and storage, especially in high temperatures. This released moisture mixes with the air inside the cavity. But with ActivePac, that air is constantly dried out by the inner ActivePac layers, keeping the environment inside the pack dry and stable. Third, there's the issue of seal pressure and integrity. But in ActivePac, both the base foil and lidding foil contain ActivePac, which allows PA-to-PA fusion, just like in a strip pack. Take a look at this diagram. The white spaces you see around the tablet? That's trapped air. As the tablet releases moisture over time, it raises the internal RH. But ActivePac works continuously to absorb that moisture, ensuring better stability and longer shelf life. So, it's not just a barrier, it's active protection. That's what makes ActivePac a game changer for hygroscopic formulations. Let's look at the key features of ActivePac. Moisture control. Its inner 85 micron ActivePac layer absorbs over 3 grams of water vapor, keeping the environment dry and tablets protected. Carbon dioxide scavenging. The lidding film captures CO2 released from tablets, preventing pressure buildup and blister puffing. Odor suppression. It neutralizes sulfur compounds that cause rotten egg odor, keeping packs clean, stable, and user-friendly. Together, these features make ActivePac a strong solution for protecting sensitive formulations. ActivePac reduces AP overages and protects against degradation, making it ideal for both domestic and export markets. It improves shelf life by absorbing moisture and gases, ensuring better stability, and up to 6 to 12 months of shelf life extension. This shows the results of an accelerated stability study conducted on Amoxycillin packed in regular cold form foil. The study was done at a temperature of 40 degrees Celsius with 75 relative humidity, to simulate hot and humid conditions common in many real-world storage environments. This slide presents an accelerated stability study comparing normal cold form foil with ActivePac under stress conditions. On day 0, both packs, CFB and ActivePac, look identical and intact. But the difference becomes clear as time progresses. After 30 days, the CFB pack already shows signs of blister puffing, while the ActivePac pack remains stable and unaffected. At 60 days, the damage in the CFB pack is more visible, with puffing, wrinkling, and deformation due to internal moisture and CO2 buildup. In contrast, ActivePac maintains its shape and integrity, thanks to its active moisture-absorbing and gas-scavenging layers. By 90 days, the difference is clear. The CFB pack shows severe leakage and foil stress, while the ActivePac continues to remain intact and stable. Let's compare traditional CFB with Alutech ActivePac. Traditional CFB provides only passive moisture protection, with no control over carbon dioxide. It doesn't prevent odor, blister puffing is common, and high AP overages are often needed, resulting in shorter shelf life and regulatory issues. ActivePac, on the other hand, offers active protection. It absorbs over 3 grams of moisture and CO2, prevents odors, controls blister puffing, reduces AP overages, and delivers a much longer shelf life. So while CFB only seals, ActivePac truly protects. To sum up, hygroscopic formulations need more than barrier protection. They need active defense from moisture, gas, and odor. That's exactly what ActivePac delivers: better stability, reduced overages, and longer shelf life. It doesn't just seal, it protects and preserves. Thank you for your time. We look forward to helping you protect what heals the world with ActivePac.